चलाई already 10 minutes late. That's the reason why I'm telling. So far, what all topics have completed, none of the topics I left anything. None of the topics I left anything. All the topics I'm doing in detail. I'm not, deleting any topic or deleting any subtopic. Like this. Come on.
That is AV and capital A.
क्या हुआ अब्राम?
What is that in the first line, sir? A comma B comma capital A.
A comma B and
Comma
capital
capital
A are given. Capital A stands for angle, man.
Angle, sir.
Since small a, small B and angle A are given, what we have to use, man? Triangle
Sure.
AC, what are given to you? What
One is small b capital A.
This is small a, small b, and angle A is given to you. Therefore, this is given. This is given. So which one you will use? Which one you will use?
Sine rule.
Don't use sine rule, man.
Cos A equal.
Use cos A. What is cos A, man? Bolo. Bolo, man.
B square plus C square minus A square equal to BC.
Cross multiply. Shuffle the terms. C square plus 2bc cos A. C square plus C into minus 2c cos A plus क्या बच गया मन plus what is left over? Now use the hypothesis. What is known to you?
Sir, C into 2B cos.
C is unknown. Please listen to this carefully. C is unknown.
B will come, sir.
Yes,
C,
sir.
it should be B here. Is 2b cos A known quantity? Is 2b cos A known quantity? Answer is
Yes.
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 Is b square minus a square a known quantity?
Yes.
Yes, this is known. This is also known. What is unknown here? C is unknown. So it is a quadratic in C. Quadratic in C. How many roots it has? 2 roots. What are those 2 roots by hypothesis? What are those 2 roots by hypothesis? C1
C1
and
and C2.
C2. What is C1 plus C2? Sum of roots minus of minus 2bc cos A by 1. What is C1, C2? Product of roots. What is this? C by A, b square minus c square by 1. Come on, complete the problem now. Find the sum of the triangle areas. But find the area of the triangle. What the triangle areas, man? With these two, small a, small b given. What's the area of the triangle? What's the area of the triangle? With AC1, this is C. With BC1, half BC1 sin A, sum of triangle areas is equals to, what is that, man? Bolo man. Half BC1 sin A plus half BC2. Why am I writing this way? So that I can use C1 plus C2. So what I get a common? Half B sin A common. What am I left over? C1 plus C2. half B sin A into, बच्चे लोग, what is C1 plus C2? What is C1 plus C2? बोलो मैम.
Plus 2b cos A.
2BC cos A. So what will I get? 2 will cancel off. बोलो. B square C sin A cos A. B square C by 2. 2 sin A cos A. What is 2 sin A cos A? What is 2 sin A cos A? Sin 2A.
Sir,
बोलो.
why are we taking sin A here, sir?
Why are we taking?
Sin A, sin A.
Area of a triangle is half BC sin A, no man.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Such triangles are there with the two different sides, C1 and C2. So C1, C2 लिया मैं.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can't we take half AC1 sin A plus half AC2 sin half A2 sin B?
But it is known to you in terms of C1 and C2, no? Where cos A is known. You started with cos A there. You
Yes, sir.
started
Yes,
with
sir.
cos A there. So that you can speak in terms of sin A. That's the idea.
Yes, sir.
Finished, man?
So one doubt, sir. From where we got C, sir?
Yes, sir. It should be 2B cos A, no, sir.
2B cos.
Yeah, 2B cos A only, no?
Sir, you wrote in sum of roots 2 minus 2BC cos A.
Okay, okay. ये C को मैं 2BC सोच रहा था. Done.
Yes, sir.
Very, very, very one of few most often asked problems in the exam. Do not write. Listen here. Absolutely. Badhiya problem. Pay attention. Look here, man. 1 is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B sin C. I'm dropping what's the difference between LHS and RHS? What's the difference between
Sin
LHS
C
and
is missing.
RHS? There is sin C here, there is no sin C. I removed sin C. What will be the relation between these two? What will be the relation between these two? Anybody? What will be the relation between these two? Anybody?
RHS greater, sir.
RHS is greater. In fact, sin C is a value which lies between 0 and 1. Sin C is something, a value which lies between 0 and 1. Sin C will decrease a value. Since I removed sin C, this will be greater. When does equality holds? Equality holds. When does equality holds?
Is
If
equal to 1.
sin C is equals to 1. Isn't it? What happens when sin C is 1? LHS equal to RHS. Can sin C be 1? Answer is yes, when angle C is 90. Therefore, complete this now. 1 is less than or equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Complete this now. 1 is less than or equal to cos of A minus B. Write this in the reverse. Write this in the reverse. Cos of A minus B greater than or equal to 1. Can cos B greater than 1. But cos of an angle greater than 1 is not possible. Is it possible?
Decreasing function.
No, sir.
Is it possible? No. So in these two, you have two possibilities. One is greater than, one is equal to. One is greater than, one is equal to. Greater than is not possible. So what's the only possibility? Equal to implies. That means equal to is happening. When will equal to happens? Sin C is equal to 1. And what is when is cos of an angle 1?
0. Cos
A minus B is 0. Angle A equal to angle B. And angle C is pi by 2. Implies triangle is what triangle?
right angled isosceles triangle.
Right angled isosceles. First part of the question is over. Second part of the question. Second part of the question. A is to B is to C.
1 is to 2.
Solve this. Solve the second part. Come on.
Sir, we don't need to reverse that inequality, sir. We don't need to reverse that inequality. Cos is a decreasing function.
You don't need it.
No, sir, I am asking that we should not reverse that inequality. Cos is a decreasing function, right?
Okay. Chalo.
1:1:2.
And 7.
1/√2:1/√2:1 or 1:1:√2.
1:1:√2 बोलते हैं. Shall I?
1 minute, sir.
It is 2r sin A is to 2r sin B is to 2r sin C. What will I get? Sin A is to sin B is to sin C, which is sin 45. 1/√2 is to 1/√2 is to 1. 1 is to 1 is to.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
कल कहाँ गए? कल गायब हो गए? शादी में गए? आओ.
No, sir. I was there in class. In the end, I left because internet connection problem.
Okay. When I was asking about Adnan, you should have responded, man. 2-3 बार पूछा रहे अदनान नहीं है आज बोल के. सुनाई नहीं दिया आपको?
No, sir. I was not there at that time. You asked in the last.
एक थ्योरम है जी, वो थ्योरम डिराइव नहीं करूंगा, बहुत लंबा जाता हो, स्टेटमेंट देके छोड़ देता हूँ. वो क्या है? क्योंकि
Sir.
बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स में काम को आता हो. Please, I asked you yesterday. I'm asking you today. कल मैं I'll ask each one of them first 3 conceptual exercises from Cengage to finish off, man. सुन रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Finish off first 3 conceptual exercises from Cengage. What do you mean by cyclic quadrilateral? A quadrilateral sitting on a cycle is called cyclic quadrilateral. Correct है?
Inside a circle, quadrilateral.
A quadrilateral which is sitting on a cycle is called cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral which is sitting on a cycle is called cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral that is inscribed in a circle. This is called cyclic quadrilateral. What's the property of a cyclic quadrilateral? Sum of opposite angles is 120. Read there. Two adjacent sides of a cyclic quadrilateral are 2 and 5. This is 2, this is 5. Below, angle between them 60. This angle 60. Or below, third side is 3. Fourth side is dash. Join these two. Let this be alpha बोलेंगे, P बोलेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे? We'll call this as P. If this angle is 60, what is this angle, man?
120.
120. Now what can you apply? By cosine rule for triangle ABD. What is cos 60? बोलो.
By 2.
Square plus 2 square.
2 square plus 5
5
square
square minus
minus
BD
BD
square
square.
by 2 into 5. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
By cosine rule for triangle. What triangle? DCB cos 120 is equal to, बोलो जी, 3 square plus P square minus BD square by 2 into 3 into P. दोनों में से क्या एलिमिनेट करना है? दोनों में से क्या एलिमिनेट करना है? BD स्क्वायर एलिमिनेट करो, P आ जाएगा. कमन, दोनों में से BD एलिमिनेट करो, P आ जाएगा.
P equal to 2.
Two correct. कर दिया. In fact, if you directly write, it will save more energy, man. What is BD square? BD square is 2 square plus 5 square minus 2 into product of these two into cosine angle. Correct? Yeah, anyhow. What is that you get? What is that you get? Bolo. 2 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 5 into cos 60 is equals to. Correct? 3 square plus p square minus 2 into 3 into p into cos 120. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
29 minus 4 5 is 20 cos 60 half 9 plus p square minus what is this one? 2 3s 6p into cos 120 minus sin 30. Am I correct? 29 minus 10 9. 29 minus 10, sorry. Am I correct? P cannot be minus 5. Angle between them is two 2014, 2017 JEE mains. Same problem. Don't waste your energy like this. Make it more shorter. Same figure, no?
Yes, sir.
नाम बदल दो ना 1 5 है. एक काम करेंगे इसको ए बोलो इसको बी बोलो. Don't write two equations, but write directly. Directly you write what is BD square. Directly you write what is BD square. Bolo.
21.
Square plus 5 square
21.
minus 2 into 1 into 5 into is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b into, am I correct? Or put it this way. This is for triangle. What triangle, man? This is for what triangle, man? Up bolo. What will I get? First one? 25 plus 1, 26. Minus 10 into half. A square plus b square minus 2ab into cos 120 minus sin 30 minus half. 2 goes 10 times. 2 goes 5 times. 26 minus 5, 21. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What's the area? Quadrilateral is how much? What do you mean by area of cyclic quadrilateral? What do you mean by area of cyclic quadrilateral?
Area of the two triangles.
Shabash. Area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle DCB. What's the area of triangle ABD?
Half into 1 into 5 into sin 60.
Half into 1 into 5 into plus area of triangle DCB. Half into A into B into sin 120. Half, send the other side. 5 into sin 60 man. AB sin 120 cos 30. Correct? And send to the other side. So it will become 8 root 3. Again to send the other side. What will I get? 5 root 3. Root 3 cancel off. What's the value of AB? Correct? Any calculation error?
Correct, sir.
AB 6 बोल रहा जी. 1 and 5. Same thing. 64 root 3. Correct. What's the value of AB, man? 11. So what is A square plus B square now? What is A square plus B square? बोलो जी.
10.
कुछ पैटर्न रहते हैं इसको. Your B is 11 by A. मेरे कहीं मिस्टेक दिख रहा जी. जरा चेक करो एक बार कैलकुलेशन. एक बार कैलकुलेशन चेक करो. उसको 19 आया बुक में.
Oh, sir.
देख करो मैं भी.
Question is correct. Sir, question देखो.
Yes, sir. Are the values correct, sir?
वैल्यूज आ रहे इसका. चुपलेस पंप. 1 5 angle 60 area 4 root 3 perimeter पूछ रहा हूँ. करेक्ट नहीं लिखा मैं. इसके फैक्टर्स है जी. कौन से जमाने में दुनिया में फैक्टर्स है, इसको फैक्टर दिख रहे नहीं. 5 11 11 नहीं होता. 21. ना 24 होना. फैक्टर्स है इसको.
Sir, the factors are 5 plus or minus root 146.
वैसा निकाले फैक्टर्स. ऐसा मैं भी निकाल सकता हूँ. A पावर 4
Not like that, sir. I didn't find the value of A. I took A square as T and then I found that roots like that. If we find the value of A और छोटा आता sir, बहुत छोटा आता.
इसका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट नेगेटिव है जी. इसको फैक्टर्स ही कहते हैं. हेलो क्या फैक्टर्स जी. ये बहुत बड़ा है. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट नेगेटिव है, इसका रूट्स नहीं है. I'll check in some other book. Wait. The previous question है. 12, 14, 12, 10. Yeah. फिर इतना टाइम वेस्ट हो जाना चाहिए नहीं है आंसर इसको क्या कर सकते हैं अपन छोड़ देंगे प्रॉब्लम आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग Sorry, not there. See, I'll tell you the procedure. Once you get the values of A and B, can you find out the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all the sides. Add all of them, you'll get perimeter. That's a method. Some mistake somewhere. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes. O be the orthocenter of a triangle ABC. Whose altitudes are AD, B, CF. Then look here. Put the diagram first. Here OA is 2R cos A, OB 2R cos B, OC 2R cos C, so that OA is to OB is to OC is equal to cos A is to cos B is to cos C. And pay attention now. This is orthocenter से side को distance. This is orthocenter से side को distance. Sorry, orthocenter से vertex को distance. Orthocenter से vertex को distance. Now orthocenter से side को distance. Very important for advanced exam. OD 2R cos B cos C. OE 2R cos C cos A. And OF 2R cos A cos B. So that what will be OD is to OE is to OF, cos A cos B cos C is to cos C cos A is to cos A cos B. 2R will cancel off. Divide throughout by cos A cos B cos C. You will get secant A is to secant B is to secant C. Correct? Na? Hopefully you are listening, you are not writing. Pay attention. Do not write. Listen to this. All of you. Once again. What about circumcenter? Say, let S be the circumcenter of a triangle ABC with perpendicular bisectors. Anyhow, you copy this first, then I need the full board. I'll explain that also. This is very important for advanced exam. Nobody will ask proof. Chalo. Please let me know once you are done. Finished one?
1 minute, sir. Sir,
Hello.
can you please explain once again, sir? I got disconnected with him.
I didn't explain anything.
No, sir,
There is
that
no
previous
explanation.
question.
Just formula I wrote. There is no explanation. Abrar,
Yes, sir.
I just wrote the formula.
Okay, sir.
Look here. Let the perpendicular, I'll dictate right this. Let the perpendicular bisectors, right fast. Let the perpendicular bisectors, let the perpendicular bisectors of sides AB, BC, CA, perpendicular bisectors of sides AB, BC, CA meet respective sides at F, D, E respectively. At F, D, E respectively. Then SD is equal to dash, or SD is to SE is to SF is equal to dash. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? SD is to SE is to SF is equal to dash. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? Remember, circumcenter से वर्टेक्स को क्या डिस्टेंस है?
cos A to cos B to cos C.
सर्कमसेंटर से मान देवड़ा SA is equal to SB is equal to SC is equal to R and AG. Circumcenter is equidistant to vertices of a triangle. What
Yes,
is
sir.
the distance called? Circumradius. 2R quadrature. SA is to SB is to SC will be 1 is to 1 is to 1. They're all equidistant, man. Now look at this. This is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector need not pass through A. Bisector, perpendicular. What is this called? Perpendicular bisector of what side? Of side BC. What is this point called? D. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come back. I am not drawing these figures now. This is yes. From S you are dropping a perpendicular. What is this? Hello. Imagine a circle. Chord BC is making what angle at A? Angle, बोलो जी, BAC. Since angle BAC is equal to A, then what is angle at the center? Angle at the center,
A by 2.
2A, 2A. Sorry.
comma, angle BSC is equal to what? What is
2A.
angle BSC? 2A. What sort of a triangle? What sort of a triangle SBC is?
Isosceles.
Isosceles.
SBC is isosceles. Implies what is angle BSD? BSD A. This angle is A. Now can we get SD? In triangle SDC, sorry, in triangle BSD. Bolo man. This is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. So what trigonometric ratio? What is cos A?
SD by R.
SD by R. So what is SD is equals to? R cos. Therefore, similarly, SD is R cos A. What will be SE?
R cos
R
B.
cos B.
SF.
R
R
cos.
cos C.
Therefore, SD is to SE is to SF. Cos A is to cos B is to cos. On. making our life right. Okay, na? Age of supposing you are day on the age for it. Now you need to age for. Wala esko ba ganun yes answer mas base mo sabi how it W jalu janalu sarang జీవితం దీంతో గడిచిపోయింది N double N I GOI NI line joining I wrote the problem. Anybody? बोलो मैं yes I'm there बोल के आंसर बोलना
Sir, answer 1/3.
1/3 or 3 I
3,
think other
3,
way
sir,
around
3. Answer is 3.
यही शाबाश keep it up man शाबाश Hamza keep it up शोएब, इससे पहले बहुत आंसर आते थे, आजकल नहीं आ रहे, पढ़े ज्यादा हो गया। मैच कर तू क्या कर, कुछ भी नहीं है मालूम, सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है, देयर इज नथिंग। Line joining circumcenter and orthocenter is parallel to the side BC. A, B, C. Let this be O. Let this be S. Parallel to side BC. Parallel to side BC. What is OD, man? Just now I gave a formula. What is OD? 2R cos B cos C. What is OE? What is SE? Just now I gave the formula 2R cos A. Correct? Hai?
Yes, sir.
When it is parallel to the side BC, will these two distances be equal? Answer is yes. Such a simple logic. Such a simple logic. This OD and OE, since it is parallel to BC, these to be equal. By hypothesis, OD is equal to SC. What does it gives you? Cos B cos C is equal to cos A. Cos B cos C is equal to cos of triangle ABC. 180 minus of B plus C. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Minus cos of B plus C. Again minus cos of. What is cos of B plus C expansion?
Cos B cos C minus sin A sin B. Sin B sin C.
Take the negative sign inside. Sin B sin C minus cos B cos C. I think it is only R cos A, SE. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. R cos A.
No, sir, only cos B.
R cos
R
B. R cos B.
कौन सा R cos B जी?
R cos A.
कौन है वो R cos B? दे तुम चमाटेक.
Sir, it is R cos B only, sir.
कौन सा?
SC.
SE man, it is opposite to vertex A. 2R cos A man. कौन है वो? You don't go by that SD SE. अम्मा क्या धमाका है जी, म्यूजियम में लगाना। वो एसी नहीं होता, वो एसी इज ऑपोजिट टू वर्टेक्स ए।
Okay, sir.
अम्मा आहा देवड़ा, absolutely spellbinding brains. The mistake which I made was यहाँ पे 2 नहीं रहता, so when you equate you will have 2 here, so it will be 3 cos b cos c is equal to sin b sin c। इधर लेके आओ, tan b tan c is equal to 3। Hello, yes you brother, don't look at that AC, it is to the side BC, that वो देखो। टू आर cos b कर, अच्छा हुआ cos b नहीं काटने दिए। Is this clear why it is 2r cos b, why it is r cos a?
Yes, sir.
मैं फिगर ऐसा ड्रॉ करना जी, ए बी सी डी ई एफ, और तो सेंटर हो, ओ डी इज इक्वल टू 2r cos b cos c बोला। मेरा फिगर में this was D, this was E, this was F. Here SD was R cos A. समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यहाँ पे वो E हो गया, वो
Yes,
A
sir,
नहीं
understood.
होते, 2R cos B नहीं होता हो। Draw this also. Draw these two also. Tomorrow Friday, log in fast. Okay then, thank you. You can leave. 11:15, 1:15.
So tomorrow won't be a holiday.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow, no holiday.
मेरे क्या मालूम? You ask your sir. How do I know tomorrow is holiday or not?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Krishna Mohan sir said he will not take class tomorrow.
Someone said, sir, he will not take.
Yes, sir.
Was saying that there may be holiday tomorrow.
If it's a holiday, then it's a holiday. We do not know, no. Shall we take holiday
sir.
tomorrow? We decide, man.
1
We are all
minute, sir.
grown
I
ups.
was
Assignment, sir.
copying.
Give assignment.
We are all grown ups.
Excuse me, sir.
बोलो.
Sir, I was copying, sir.
You are copying. मैं निकाल दिया ना.
1 minute, sir. I will take screenshot.
बोलो अगर हॉलीडे होना बोले तो अपने को हॉलीडे,
Sir, instead
हॉलीडे नहीं
of
होना बोले तो नहीं होना.
sir,
Anyhow,
first
I'm
classes
taking
we will solve Senget's problem. सीधी बात है.
Yes, sir.
because senior को revision start करे, so I cannot skip senior class. Senior को revision start करे कर दिया मैं.
Sorry, lower way is your handle or else we will come.
एक काम करेंगे ना फिर.
Yes, sir.
हेलो,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
अगर कृष्ण मोहन सर का क्लास पक्का नहीं है, श्योर है? You
not
are sure that
confirmed.
Krishna Mohan sir class is not there?
Not sure, sir.
Not confirmed, sir. But he said that the demo holiday, so he will not take.
Then you log in at 11. I'll take class from 11 to 12. I'll leave you at 12. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.